Wagwan guys, so we're heading on the road, and yeah, me and my sister are heading on the road. So I'm just gonna run some errands. I'm just gonna give brief rundown of where I'm going. So I'm gonna go to the supermarket, and then I'm going to go to the damn, this sun is so hot. Guys, she doesn't want to be in the camera. Look at her around here. Hiding. And yes, I have these masks on sale. I made them myself. So if you want a mask, you can contact me via Instagram or Facebook. Yeah. So I'm just walking to the main road to get a taxi to go to wherever I'm going. Woo. So guys, I'm gonna have to get me myself a selfie what do they, tripod that I can walk with in my hand. I don't have one at the moment. I'm just walking with the phone in my hand. Wow. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to Orange Bay, and then I'm going to go to Lucy. So when I'm gonna go catch a cab now. So when I get off in Orange Bay, I'll vlog the rest of the video. Alright guys? So guys, I'm now in Orange Bay. I just went to pay master. I'm about to go on the scheme. Yes guys, so we have to use a bike taxi to go up by the scheme, or you could just walk. So I got me myself one. As you can see in the following clip, you see me on the bike. Sweet, sweet. For the persons who do know Orange Bay, then you know this is a part of the scheme. Yes, so I'm heading back on the main road so I could get to Lucy. And I'll be showing you the name of the scheme in a few. Yeah, so if you're not from Orange Bay, this is the Orange Bay Estate. You can find places to rent there, and I am about to show you the Orange Bay Country Club. You can get houses to buy over there if you want a house to buy. That's if. Yeah, and I'm heading back to the plaza. So guys, I'm in Lucy. Every single day. Oh no, hurry, I'm going. So guys, I just left Sinclair Bargain Center. I'm about to head to the supermarket. I'm not gonna pick up much of a popular center and then go down. You want to take a break and come down? So guys, I'm looking for some handkerchiefs, but I'm inside the store. Let me look up. Wanna sell handkerchief? Let me see one that I'm gonna have. Which one I have? So guys, I went to a store on the mall, but they didn't have what I wanted, so I had to leave that store, and now I am in the popular center, which is on the main street, Lucy. You can find clothes, shoes here, and a lot of stuff there. Handkerchief. So guys are getting handkerchiefs to make masks. Yes. 210. this one and the one here.
The one this and two this.
Yeah.
Only that type your hand.
Finally, guys, finally I found the kerchief that I was looking for, and I got them, and now I'm heading to the supermarket because I don't want to spend much time in this town. I want to go pick the stuff up and head home right away. Alright, guys, stay with me. And just so you know, guys, these crackers are some of my favorite crackers. I eat this during my breakfast, lunch, dinner, after night snack. Yes, you can go ahead. These are the Excelsior salty biscuits. I love these. Yes, as I stated before, I am not going to pick up much stuff. I'm just going to pick a few stuff up for the house, and then I head home back.
Vlog. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And of course, drop a comment in the comment section. It's so weird walking around with the phone in your hand while people is just staring at you. Well, so as soon as I got off the taxi, I make it a point of my duty to vlog me the ending of the video.
And guys, please don't forget to turn on your notification bell. It keeps you posted whenever I upload new videos.